How to review privacy checkup reminders on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review privacy checkup reminders on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then click settings and go down until you find activity log. Click on it and scroll down, click look at actions and other activity, and now just click this one, privacy checkup reminders, and here you can review it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.